Miss Foot Fixer, and I'm here with this lovely patient with a boo-boo toe. So you can see that the toe is somewhat discolored. It's small, isn't it, too? Because she had a history of ingrown toenail, and they did a great job with the surgery, and obviously this is what it looks like afterwards. There was a little bit of nail polish on top. And what we did was we removed it, and we discovered that she had a year-old fake nail on top. And there is probably some bruising or some bacteria, a little bit spot of fungal nail infection at the side of the nail. And this needs to be cut back. And we need to see what is going on underneath the nail. So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to clean it all up. And also we're going to cut these nails. You guys probably get bored of that itself. Okay.
If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.
When does it hurt, the toe, actually?
It hurts when I sometimes wear tight shoes.
Yes.
Or if I ever knock it or stub it, it hurts.
Okay.
But at the top, it's more sore.
And that's, obviously there's the, oh look, it just comes off like that. Well, that was easy. I told you it would come off. Okay, dokie. So there is actually, that's the nail that came off. I thought I would have to chip it quite intensely. So let me just have a look. Okay, it doesn't look too bad actually. So maybe this was pushing out the nail. Oh, that was easy. Okay, let me just drill everything back a little bit more and clean it up. So the,
Yeah, that's
okay. There is a little bit of infection. There's yellowing in the toe. So I think it's best to cut it back so that you can apply the topical medication. And that will allow me to look at the nail bed. A lot of damage on the nail bed. There's not much nail bed tissue. It probably stops here a little bit. So it's quite short.
Is there any way to get that back?
No.
Will that be surgery?
Surgery or just constant trauma. You lifting it, exposing it. Because there's no striations at all. There's no kind of like usually you would cut this and it would bleed, right? But there's nothing completely at all.
That's it. Whenever the nail does go longer, there's a big gap at the top, and it doesn't feel like it's attached.
Yeah. And even if we did a surgery on it, it's just it's not gonna attach. I already know because it's completely not there. Okay, let me just clean this up.
If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.